Hello, this is another review on my model collections. So around 4 or 5 days ago I reviewed the A350-1000, and about a week ago I reviewed the BOAC Boeing 747-400. But now I am reviewing the KLM Boeing the KLM Boeing 777-300ER. The reason why I love 777s is because of the triple landing gear. It's usually how you tell that it's a 777 because it's got 14 wheels. It's got 14 wheels. What I also like about this is it's like my A350. It's got spinning fan blade engines. Sorry if it's not really focused currently. Okay, what if I do that? So that's better. KLM actually stands for Royal Dutch Airlines, just in Dutch. And as you can see, you can actually see through the engines. And I'm glad this has gear, like proper landing gear. As you can see, it's scale 1 to 200. And here's the tail. The tail, KLM Boeing 777, PHBVN. Then there's the Netherlands flag and the European Union flag. And also, you're probably wondering what these things are, and I don't know either. Please look it up. Anyway, if we go to the other side of the chip, you can see the cargo doors, and because it's actually as big as the 747, just not as chunky, like same with the A350. It has 3 cargo doors. And anyway, I just keep it like this for a reason. Reasons. So let me just. Oh yeah, you're probably looking at my RC Spitfire right now. Well, that's actually, I actually got that for Christmas, and it's actually RC, so the propeller moves. This is the controller for it. Anyway, I'm just going to do something. It's just the KLM 777 is really hard to put on the stand, like, evenly. So if the sticking out bothers you, then don't blame me, please. It's just really hard to put in. Okay, I may be weak though. That's not bad. I'm pushing it as hard as I can. Anyway, I'm just happy to have this model because my mum actually hid it from me until I found it yesterday. It came in 4 days. Well, I had to wait 5 days because my mum hid it. And I just like the wing design too, and also I began complaining about the elevators facing down, but stupid me, they were actually on the wrong way round. So me, yeah, that's me for you. They were on the wrong places and that flipped over the wrong way. So we've corrected that now, and we love the 777, as if like, oh, from this view it actually looks a bit like a real plane about to take off. Anyway, thank you for watching this. If you did like it, then good, thanks. Bye.